Yeah, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hand, put your hand, put your hand, put your hand. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Now get up for Sean and the beatbox going on. Yeah. Hey. No. Hey, let me introduce myself. My name is Owens. I'm representing Sekses. We do a lot of things in the neighborhood, tri-state, whatever it may be. Community outreach, event planning, event hosting, DJing, and all sorts of stuff. Today we're going to show you a little bit of what we got going on. Morristown, these are your Sekses kids. Let's go. Give them a round of applause. Clap it up. Clap it up.
Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're going to do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Keep fucking with it. Get fucking with it. Come on. Cha-cha. DJ. Next song. Turn it up. Next song. Hey, yo. These ladies and these guys up here, they like this song. What's your name, sweetie? What you want to be when you grow up? She want to be a cheerleader. Clap it up, baby. Next song. What do you got? No. Hey, next verse. Make room. Do it. Keep rocking. This is a show. My show is at the party wherever we go. Hey, I don't know what to do. Go dance. Break it down now. Break it down now. Break it down now. Official remix, we do it all. Here we go. Let me do it. Pull up. We got time for one more? Yeah, let's go. At night. Hey. Go ladies. Bring the alarm, the love is jumping down. So stand up and we saw you.